Okay, Toyota robot. So sometimes it engage in gears, it change in gears, not like usual. Look, check. I'm drive in automatic mode. Let's once again. You see, it engage second gear for a few seconds and straight away engage in third gear. It's not comfortable. So what I'm recommend to do, you switch to manual mode and using only plus. The minus it will do by himself. Also like this you can control to not engage a lot of times, and the robot will alive more time. Or you can use this plus. You see, it drive different because you control it, not he control you. Also like this, it will calibrate himself as how you drive, and after that it will drive much more better on the automatic mode, like he doing adaptation. It's adaptive, the gearbox. So something like this. I forgot to say why it happens. Because the clutch is it's not new. It's this car did on this clutch about 60,000 kilometers in taxi mode. So the clutch, I think it's warning about 70%, but it's still working, and really no time to change it. Sometimes, you know, the clutch is working, need to change, but it can work little more and you drive. you need to drive, you need to work, I don't know. You don't want to change the clutch, so you can drive like this. It's okay, it's not sleeping, but it's not new. You see? Possible to drive, no problem.